Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn stop storing API keys in the .env for the React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is the problem with the .env in the React Native? .env files don't protect your API keys in mobile apps. Mobile apps get compiled and shipped. Anyone can decompile, extract your keys the right way. The two-part security solution, use backend proxy. Never put sensitive API keys like Stripe, Fireface in your app. Instead, create a secure backend that handles them. Okay, so this is like that when you can do backend. Here you can the Stripe keys and you can do the process and everything. Use secure storage for the tokens, React Native keychain. So you can use the keychain for the secure storage for your tokens. Real world secure architecture, store API keys only on the backend. App get access tokens after login. Tokens stored in a secure storage or the keychain. App calls your backend, not the third party services directly. Backend handle all the sensitive API operations. Common mistakes to avoid: storing all keys in .env, even client-side ones. Hard-coded credentials in app. No token refresh and expiry handling. Using HTTP instead of HTTPS. So start securing your apps now. Set up your backend Express shares or serverless. More sensitive keys to the backend environment variables. Use secure storage for user tokens. Route all the sensitive API requests to your backend. Okay, so this is the common practices that you can do. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.